In this video I will be building a $250 Ryzen 5 gaming PC with Asus GTX 1650 in the Nzxt H510i white case. I got this Nzxt 320 motherboard and Ryzen 5 1600 processor for $90. Old, but for the price it performs very well. Then I got this Corsair LPAC 16GB RAM kit for $41. It was like new. And I got this Nzxt H510i white case with a 500 Watsu and 2 fans for just $45. Then I got this Asus GTX 1650 for gigabytes card for $52, which I later exchanged with a Gigabyte GTX 10603 gigabytes. Dumb, but the 1060 performs better. I then spray painted the Amd Stock cooler white. It turned out pretty well. I lost the recording of building the PC, but here's me doing some cable management. The 4-pin cable was too short to do any cable management. I tested PUBG PC and it was very smooth. I was averaging around 135 FPS in 1080p medium settings. On War Thunder I was averaging to 30 FPS in 1080p high settings. Full benchmarks coming soon.